haven't had my morning coffee today. It's like 11:30 here. Ugh, the door's not shutting. So I'm gonna have my coffee and black cherry soda instead. Instead is a strong term. You know I'm gonna drink coffee within the hour. Okay, here we have, can you see that, everyone? Can you see that? Whatever. I don't even know what I think about coffee flavored like soda. And like, you know, like just sparkling coffee flavored anything. The initial pop was very satisfying, so. What? Here we go, raw reaction, people. Wait, Mom, I'm making a video, don't come in here. Oh my gosh, someone's at the door? I'm not dressed. Oh my gosh, okay. We're moving this video somewhere else. Oh, go, go, go. Hide, 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 hide. Okay, we're gonna try this now. Black cherry coffee.
What?
In the heck? Okay, the best way I can describe this is that it 100% tastes like the chocolate Tootsie Pop. Oh my gosh. I was by the window and people were gonna say, what's happening? Oh my gosh. Oh. Literally, what is happening? This just became so much more than a taste testing video. It's like, maybe it's like it's a cherry Tootsie Pop with the like chocolate center. The coffee is acting like a chocolatey taste. I don't hate it. It's just like a bad Tootsie Pop. Okay.